Hi, I'm Nancy from Cooking Nancy's channel. You'll be wondering why is this, how do you use this type of basket? Well, this is what you do. You put the noodles into the basket. What you see here is rice vermicelli noodles, which I have pre-soaked, and I'm just going to add it in the boiling water, and that's how you can cook your noodles and fish it out easily. Right? Just boil it up. That's an easier way of cooking noodles, or you can use a pair of tongs, whichever suits you. It takes only a short while to boil, and you can just fish it out. See, it's drained the water in the basket. Turn it. It's done. Then you can add your other noodles. I'm just going to add this noodle, which I pre-soaked, enough, just enough for what I need. Okay, one scoop, and the rest. This has also been pre-soaked. It's a yellow noodle, which is dried. So I pre-soak it in water until it's nice and soft, and then you can stir fry. I can stir fry it for my evening meal. So this one here, I just let it boil, and then later I use a pair of tongs and scoop it into here, drain it like how you saw just now, and then I have a two-tone noodle. I have white rice noodle and wheat noodle. I think I just put in a little bit more. If I have a bigger pot, you're supposed to have a bigger pot to submerge it, okay? And then you can just scoop into this basket. Like in Chinese cooking, in a restaurant, they have a huge pot. So all they do is put it right into the hot pot, and then just shake it and scoop it out into a bowl. So you can do individual quantity as well in this. Like this is for like 1 or 2 quantities, you know. This basket is meant for 1 or 2 quantities. And here I'm having hard-boiled eggs in laksa premix. I'm just going to add some prawns to this, or I'm going to put some squid, and I'm going to add in sweet potato leaves as well. Sweet potato leaves, all in it. Lots of sweet potato leaves, and some squid. Squid will cook very easily. I've got eggs in there. The eggs are already hard boiled, and served with some fresh salad as well. I'm Nancy, your cooking friend. But for now, I'm giving you recipe ideas. I'm going to throw in my squid straight away now. Okay, I can't talk. Bye. Have a nice day.